Welcome to Carbon K Mechanical Solutions. Today we're performing a full carbon clean and Ash X DPF service on a semi-truck. Step 1. Connect your laptop or OTC tool. Check soot levels and clear any codes. Step 2. Prepare your hydrogen carbon cleaning machine. Make sure you have enough mixture for a 2-hour service. Step 3. Open the hood and loosen the clamp ahead of the turbo. Insert the hydrogen spigot into the rubber boot. Start the truck and turn the machine on. Let the engine warm up to 180 degrees. Hydrogen will now clean the turbo, the DOC, and the EGR system. While the truck warms up, remove any side skirts to access the 1-box or DPF filter housing. Once at temperature, remove the temperature sensor ahead of the filter. This is your injection point. Load Ash X Step 1 into your pump. With the truck idling, inject the cleaner. Shut the truck off and let it soak for 10 minutes. Restart the truck and inject Ash X. Step 2. Shut it off again and let it soak for another 10 minutes. Reinstall the sensor. Move the truck outside and begin a forced regen. Heavy smoke at the start is normal. Regen time varies depending on how plugged the system is. Once regen is complete, check soot levels again. They should be near zero. The truck will pull better, breathe better, and fuel economy can improve by up to 10%. This is the Carbon K standard. Clean, efficient, professional. Join our team as a vendor as we grow across Canada.